This is an overview for Monday, September 28th. Today, we will look at all parts of the CER paragraph, making sure that we have additional evidence and reasoning to support our claim. These are the success criteria which you will use to guide your work and revision this week. Here is an overview of the day's activities. All of the things can be found on Canvas as well. From the rough drafts, I found that claims are complete sentences that address the prompt and that they are focused on symbolic or metaphorical interpretation of poison. We'll take a look at some examples in class, and you should check your own as well. This is an example of textual evidence. It has context, it has who is speaking, quotation marks around the textual evidence, and a correct citation using the author's last name and page number with a period afterwards. Here is the checklist, which will be found on Canvas as well, and an opportunity to correct one for yourself. Look at your own textual evidence. Does it support your claim? Is it embedded or blended into your writing? Is there an introduction for it? Do you use quotation marks? Do you cite it correctly? And is it an appropriate length? There are also some reviews on Canvas from week 3, Wednesday the 23rd and 24th. Those will be linked in today's Canvas page. Next, we went over how to complete your work in MLA format. There is a template on Canvas. Then I reviewed some writing warnings and no-nos. Especially in interpretive writing and formal writing, I think my opinion, my claim, my example, and I believe make the paragraph about you rather than about the text. So those have no place in this type of text. Also, the habit of this shows that to start your reasoning is a habit that needs to be broken. And using the reasoning writing tool will help you to do that. And you'll see an example later as well. You need to make sure that your reasoning is not summary. And stop referencing your quote in your textual evidence. And of course, make them an appropriate length. These are examples of reasoning, what it does, and what summary does so that you can compare your own. Here's an example that can be found on Canvas as well. This is a tool that can help you write effective reasoning. It can be found on Canvas. You will need to make your own copy. Then you are going to identify your reasoning and double check that it isn't just summary. There was time in class for this, and if you did not finish, you need to do this for homework. Okay, at last, you need to decide how many of these success criteria you completed today. We will continue with this work tomorrow.